Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope doing well. So, in continuation of yesterday's topic, articles. Yesterday I told you that today I will be talking. For yesterday it was okay, I was supposed to talk only about a and an so that you don't get confused with a and the. So, if we talk about the, the is the article which is used with the names of countries but with not all. For example, I'll give example of the UAE, the USA, the UK, but I can't say the America, the India. It simply means we can use article the where we are using the abbreviations for a country. We can't say the England, but we can say the UK, the USA. Second thing, we can't use the directly with the names of the months or the days. I will come to you on the Wednesday. पहले बात तो it is not Wednesday, it's Wednesday. Saturday. Sorry, no Saturday, it's Saturday. So, I was born in the month of January, not the January. In the year 2000, in the year 2002, in the year 2020, but not directly the 2020. One more thing I would like to tell the use of the only degrees of adjective. For that, please, I think in my second video we had talked about horizontal and vertical. I think you remember now. V for vertical, ऊपर से नीचे और नीचे से ऊपर. So when you are teaching your children degrees of adjective, don't tell them to write and keep their notebook. This is not a copy, my dear. You copy thing from one side to the other. You photo, if you are getting it photo started, you are getting it copied. Carbon copies you have photocopies, but this is a notebook, not a copy. You copy from the board. When the teacher writes something on the board and you are noting it down, you are copying. So please, what we do is, as an English teacher, we go and start teaching degrees of degrees, and then what we do is we are least bothered how the child is supposed to put his notebook. Please tell him to keep the notebook horizontally. Sleeping time, remember? He gets more space because he has to make 3 columns. First, जितनी मर्जी वो डिग्री नेगेटिव हो, first is positive only. The first caption you give is positive. Then obviously you are comparing, so comparative. And third, superlative. Tell the child, जो सबसे super हम उससे कहते हैं, which is the best. So the child will not keep the notebook like this vertically, but he'll keep the notebook like this. I had to talk about the degrees of adjective because here also the is involved. How? My first degree is positive. Let the child mark a line. Positive. Second degree is comparative, and the third degree is superlative. Now look, so much of space the child is having. Big. Please make sure when you are asking the child to write the comparative and superlative degree, my aim to make the child write horizontally is big. Bigger than, THAN, than is used for comparison. Then नहीं बोल रही हूँ. I'm not talking about THAN. I'm talking about THAN, than. Bigger than, the biggest. With the superlative degree, we always use the article the. Poor, poorer than is comparative. The superlative is the poorest. What I deliberately do is whenever I am teaching these degrees of adjectives, yes, you can call it adjective also. Adjective is also the right pronunciation. I'm not missing it. I'm not stammering. Like with the small words, big, poor, I always give them bad. So many of them are able to tell the second degree. Worse. But usually, children like me, better. Then I say, have you ever heard better, baddest? Bad, worse than, the worst. I use these words deliberately because these are the words which the children. देखने को एक छोटा सा वर्ड है, लेकिन जब डिग्रीज चेंज हुए तो वो पूरे का पूरा वर्ड चेंज हो गया. बिग का बिगर बना दिया तो बच्चा बैड का बेटर बना देता है. वर्स दैन द वर्स्ट. When you are teaching the degrees of comparison, the degrees of adjective, tell them when it is a big word like beautiful, the second will be more beautiful than. बच्चों को बता दीजिए when the word is big, the word does not change. More beautiful than, and the superlative will become the most. More के बाद most ही आएगा ना. The most beautiful. Intelligent. Again another big word. The more intelligent than and the most intelligent. So, आ गया the बीच में. I've told you with name of some countries. एंड इसलिए डिग्रीज ऑफ कंपैरिजन करना ज़रूरी था इसमें, बिकॉज इवन इट देयर यू शुड नो. एंड प्लीज पुट योर चिल्ड्रन इन दिस हैबिट. दे शुड हैव दिस हैबिट. लेट मी कीप माई पॉजिटिव, कंपैरेटिव, सुपरलेटिव. with the comparative degree they should always write than after the adjective. Bigger than, poorer than, worse than, beautiful than, more beautiful than. The bigger the word, they don't need to change the word, but they have to add the word the more beautiful than. द के बाद मोस्ट आएगा, द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल. So I hope now you know. Now one more thing. I saw a boy walking on the road. Dash boy. Here I will use the article the, because in the whole world we are talking about only one boy. I saw a boy. Here we are talking about one random boy, but when I'm explaining, I'm talking about the same boy. It means I'm talking about one single boy, one boy in the entire world. इसलिए in the second sentence or whenever I'm talking about the same boy, I will be using the boy. If I have to, if I ask you, please give me a pen, and you say, Mom, I have only one pen, I'll say, don't worry, give me the pen you have. Because again, there are n number millions of pens across the world, but here we are talking about one single pen in the entire world. So here I am using the article the with the collective noun. I saw a group of boys, a group of teachers going. The staff of my, I have a group, I have 40 teachers. This is the best example I should be giving. I have 45 teachers in my school. The staff of my school. Now here, because staff is a collective noun, the staff of my school is very hard working. So with the collective noun also, the. Now my next topic, छोटा सा topic I want to pick up. I have a question also for you people. I love wearing sari. I love wearing sari, but what will be the better term? It is not wrong, but wear sari. What is the proper term I should be using for wearing? First task. Second is, you go to a tailor to get your clothes stitched. But from where do you buy those unstitched clothes? हिंदी में आप उसे बजाज कह देते हो. What do you call a bajaj in English? This is your task for tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.